it's me, Alegra. Babes, I just got, okay, this is the foundation I used today. This is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick. So, what do you guys think? Was it worth the money? Is this, what do you just keep watching, guys, to find out the whole shebang, what's going on, how this worked out for me, and all that good stuff. Plus, I'm having a giveaway, so just keep watching, guys, to see my try on and all that good stuff of the new Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick. So, beauties, I'm super excited today to be trying out a new foundation. This is the Milk Makeup. It's, look how small it is, guys, but this is all I got. But it looks like it's pretty big when you open it up. Yeah, it should be a good enough size for me to try it out today. Yeah, that's a pretty good sample. Sephora was having gift with purchase. If you use the code 4FAVES, they're giving away 4 pretty much deluxe size samples of the newest foundations that are out. I've never tried Milk foundation before. Have you guys tried their foundation? I have been so in love with, where did I put it, their primer. Like everybody, I absolutely love their primer. Although I haven't used the hydro primer, that's the clear one. I've been using this one, the blurring primer, the blur stick primer. So I could not get enough of this. I love the scent. It has a very soothing, I believe it's like maybe a lavender essence to it, and it just is so soothing, but it also mattifies your skin. It seems to fill in the pores. So I've been using this like crazy, so I'm going to go ahead and use this again today, and then I'm going to go in and try the new foundation. So I cannot get enough of this, and I love how easy it is to apply, and it's something about it, but it's just really relaxing. It's very soothing on your skin, and I really do feel like it, you know, gives me a more even complexion, because I feel like it's really, you know, filling in, you know, my uneven texture, pores, and things like that. So I absolutely love this. So now, guys, I'm gonna get to go ahead and try the foundation. So I'm super excited. Well, I guess it's kind of like a stick. Oh, okay, it's like a stick foundation, because I normally don't use stick foundation very much. So now they also, I wasn't sure what shade to get. I don't think this is my shade, guys, again, but this is medium. It looks a little bit yellow on me, although I do love to warm up my complexion, and I do spray tan, so, or apply self tanner, so this also feels very soothing on my skin. It feels moisturizing. I feel like I have skin that's, because my skin is sensitive, it feels, a lot of times it feels irritated, or I get breakouts, and so this feels really nice. It feels very soothing, so I love that. So let me go ahead and blend that out, though. Let's see here. Well, I've been using this brush lately. I absolutely love this. This is from Ulta. It's the Precision Foundation brush, so I'm going to use this today. What I like to do is spray it with my Beauty Mist, and then I just press the foundation into my skin like so. So I'm just pushing it into my skin. So what do you guys think? Do you see a difference? I can't really tell right now, guys, but let me know if you see a difference. So just looking in my mirror right here, it does look very dewy. I do see coverage. I feel like my skin definitely looks more dewy, more sort of youthful, and so that's really nice. Let me go ahead and put on my concealer and my setting powder. I'm just going to use whatever normal concealer I use. I've been using this Jouer Concealer, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I'm actually almost out of this concealer, guys. I can't believe it. Wow. You can also use an eyeshadow crease brush if you just want to buff right under your eyes, just to get it nice and blended under your eye area, and just buffing out the edges. I'm tapping it on here, and then just the edges you just want to buff away. So guys, so far this is feeling extremely moisturizing. It feels extremely emollient, and so definitely if you have if you have dry skin, this might be a great option for you. I'm gonna go ahead and set this really quickly though, guys, and then I'll be right back. So guys, I'm just gonna set all of this with my Beauty Mist. So I'm gonna give myself a spray, like the perfect mist, perfect fine mist. It's amazing. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes now. I have these Ardell Remy lashes. These are the number 778. So I am just loving these. They're almost like a 3D effect. They're definitely double wisps. So love that. So I'm gonna pop these on really quick, and then I'll be back to do a lip and we'll see how this is holding up. But let me know what you guys think. Do you see a difference? But like I said, I'll be right back, guys. I'm just gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. Oh my god, I just caught a glimpse of this finish in the mirror and I'm like, I just truly cannot believe my eyes. It is absolutely stunning in real life. I'm not sure how it's translating for you guys, but in real life, it's one of those things where you see the finish and you're just like, oh, you're really like blown away by it looks gorgeous. It's like the finish is gorgeous, you know? So let me take another peek, but wow, I'm so shocked. Wow, it's a gorgeous finish. So I was just actually reading on the package, it says that it is a natural finish. So yeah, it does look natural, but yet you can see something like, so it's natural, but it's, I don't know, it gives you a little bit of something more though. So it's definitely, it's stunning. It's not natural where you can't see it. So I like to see a gorgeous finish. So it feels amazing. It feels great. So let me go ahead and put on some liquid liner though. I always have to put on my liquid liner. This is, like always, my Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner. I absolutely love this. Like, I always put this liquid liner. It's really important to me to put this on because I really like to disguise the lash band, and it's so easy and effortless just to kind of extend your eye a bit. So this is just such a phenomenal liquid liner. And I also like to just put a little bit in there. And guys, I'm actually wearing the Wet n Wild palette tonight. I'm just so shocked at this palette, how much fun it is, how gorgeous. That yellow is from the Wet n Wild, the 40 palette. So sometimes too, if your lashes aren't meeting up perfect with your eye, you could always just kind of draw in right there and you'll get that perfect, you know, it looks like your lashes are perfectly connected to, you know, your tear duct area. I love that. So guys, I'm gonna pop on this Kylie lip. This is the shade Bougie. So it's just a gorgeous red. So guys, this is the finished look. I am so in shock at how stunning the finish of this foundation is in real life. It just leaves you feeling really gorgeous, really good about yourself, just really glam, but it looks natural and it looks beautiful, so you feel good about yourself. Like, it doesn't look, like I've said before, there's a lot of makeup that looks good on camera, but not necessarily looks good in real life. This foundation looks good, looks amazing, looks beautiful in real life, so it winds up making you feel good and comfortable. So you definitely could go out and feel comfortable and feel good about yourself. You're not gonna feel, it's not cakey whatsoever. So you're gonna just wind up feeling really good about yourself with this foundation on. So I was just reading the packaging for it. I didn't really know too much about it before I used it, but it did say it is a medium coverage foundation that covers and calms and flexes without creasing or caking. And I can definitely see that you do immediately feel it calming on your skin. It definitely is a natural finish, yet there is coverage. And I definitely did stipple it on, so I might have a bit more coverage than you might have, or if you prefer, you could definitely not use that stippling motion and maybe use a damp beauty blender and you can sort of thin it out if you'd like to, but I personally love this finish. But like I said, you could definitely not do it as stippling like as I did, and it will probably be more of a sheerer finish. So I am just living for this look, guys. This is actually a foundation that you want to reach for. You'll feel good about yourself. I love how it's in the stick form, so you could throw it in your bag. You could do it at work, at school, on the go, after the gym, and you can just pop it on. That's what I really love about the primer. I'm a lot of times traveling, I just pull it right out of my bag and I put it on and I feel amazing. They're both definitely calming. It has such an incredible scent that calms and soothes your skin, and yet also leaves you looking, less pores and a more even texture. So I am so addicted. These two products are now like my super faves. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase the full size because this is definitely something that I truly want to use on the regular. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you see a big difference in how this foundation looks? Do you see the coverage? I absolutely love it. So let me know if you guys will be picking it up. They are having some amazing deals on the Milk website, where they're having a lot of giveaways if you purchase directly from milk.com, milkmakeup.com. So I'll link those below. Or if you're on the Sephora website, they're having a giveaway with purchase where you'll get 4 sample sizes of the newest foundations out. If it's still available, it's called 4 faves. So I'll link that below as well. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think of this foundation. Are you gonna pick it up? Have you tried it? Do you love it or what? I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Will you be purchasing it, or yay or nay? But that's pretty much it, guys. So I love you so much. Let me know what you think of this foundation. Will you be picking it up, or are you gonna pass? Let me know, guys. I can't wait to hear. And that's pretty much it. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.